The closet is huge, nice and big. The bedroom, just I love. So this is the living room. Very nice. And I love the color scheme that's going on in here. And as you can see, that's the dining room over there. Look at this fan. Let's head over to the dining room area and the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area, and then this is the passage area, and this is one of the bedrooms. Very big and spacious, and a nice fan. And this is the closet space and the bathroom. The closet is huge, nice and big. The bedroom, just I love the color, the subtle colors. All right, so it's bedroom and bathroom number 1. This is bedroom number 2. This is the second bedroom. And this is the closet area attached to it. This is the bathroom that is shared with the second and the third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom. So this is the wash area. And this is the back patio. It's very long. Let me step all the way back so you guys can see. This is the back patio on the side of the house. And that's your neighbors over there. So let's go in from the back to the front. So enter to the back. To the right is the wash area. Keep going down. To the left, the 2 bedrooms, which is separated by the bathroom or with a shared bathroom. And then the main bedroom, which has its own bathroom and closet area. And this is it. Nice big space. Nice big closet. And then we're going to the living room, kitchen and dining. Living, kitchen and dining. is the pool area of the property, and it has an adjoining beach area that you have full access to if you're living here. So it's a one-bedroom studio, and we enter through the kitchen on the left, and that's the passageway. So this is what the kitchen is looking like. Put your stove and your fridge there, and then this is bedroom, living room, dining room, as it's a studio. I'm not sure what kind of type this is, but oh, so you can possibly put like a curtain on there and section it off. Okay, so this is the size of the studio apartment, and here's the bathroom area. And this is the closet area. And then there's a balcony area. Yeah, and this is the balcony that overlooks outside, and this is what outside looks like. So this is bedroom number 1. It doesn't come with the furniture, but it can be negotiated. And the bathroom is off to the side here. But bedroom, and this looks like a closet. Yep, correct. Closet is here, and another closet is there, and of course you can decorate it as you feel, but this is how they do it. A little sitting area, bed, mirror, and hello. And then there's some storage in the hallway. And then the other bedroom, which is here. Again with 2 closets. High ceilings, and then another bathroom which serves this bedroom. And then this is the balcony area. this one.
This one is decorated a little differently.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
Everybody by the sky table, some people use a square.
Okay.